Ayan, hello guys. So, pag-usapan natin yung principle of transmissibility. Okay. So, introduction and principle of transmissibility. Recall lang natin, forces is either pulling or pushing forces. Okay, so sila ay naghihilahan dito. So, pag same yung forces, so equilibrium lang. Pagka 400, 300, so magkakaroon ng differences, no? Okay, so dun tayo sa principle of transmissibility. So sabi diyan, any force acting at a point can be replaced by the same magnitude of force at some point on the same line of action in the same direction. So yan, no? Halimbawa, nandito yung point of application sa point A. So mag-draw ka lang ng line dyan na yan yung tinatawag natin na line of action. Pwede mo lang ilipat yung force sa point B. So, hindi niya babaguhin yung condition ng motion ng body. Okay? So, yan. Ganyan din dito. So, the principle of transmissibility is ganyan, no? Same magnitude, same direction, same line of action. So, yung effect dito sa yellow square na to is pares lang dito. So, nakalagay lang dito sa point A. Ito nakalagay sa point B. Pero pares lang yan. Same lang. So, that is your principle of transmissibility.